guys, today we are at Watsonville Junction, also known as Pajaro Yard. And today we have the 1005, also known as the 1004, sitting here. Didn't have enough paint. And then we got the 1347. Police pulled up. Wonder what they're doing. Oh look, the EOT device is there. Might run today. We're hoping to catch the Santa Margarita local. I'm gonna walk over to those units now. Here we have the Union Pacific number 1131. It's a nose headlight, GP60. I think this is one of the last GP60s with nose headlights that are still around. Then we got the 1071 and the 1039. Yo. Some put an In-N-Out burger sticker. Wonder who that was. I was examining the unit, and if you look closely, there it says loss, and then you kind of see the A, the N, but where's the S? That said Los Angeles. So this unit was based out of Los Angeles when I was still with the SSW, I'm guessing, which is kind of weird, since it was an SSW unit and not an SP unit. These old units nowadays, they're losing their UP patches and paint, especially Union Pacific number 1004. He's a patch on the front of the nose. He's coming off. And then this one, look, you can see its original numbers 96, I believe that's 5, 9652. It's the same thing on the other side. Then we got the patch. There she is. Oh, and the Starlight just got a green, so I'm gonna catch that real quick.